Hello there. Welcome back to Financial Accounting Info. In this video, we want to look at the preparation of income received in advance, and we are also going to prepare accrued income account. So this is the question that we have. This is question 6, and it reads: the information given below, amongst others, was extracted from the books of Henley Road Social Club on 20th February 2014. On the required part, draw up the following accounts in the general ledger and not close off the membership and interest fees accounts only. So it means the membership fees account and the interest fees account are the only ones which need to be closed off, which means the other two, which is 6.1 and 6.2, we are not going to close them. So if you go according to the question that we want to answer, we are only going to prepare 6.1 and also 6.2. That is income received in advance on 6.1 and then also income, accrued income on 6.2. So going to our next page to see what other information that we are given in the question. So you'll see that on the next page, we are also have a continuation of the information that we have according to this question. We have got information A, whereby it reads following balance and totals were extracted of 1 March 2018. So which you need to go through before you start to answer the question. And also information B, the following was extracted from the receipts and payments records for the year ending 20th February 2014, whereby you are also given the receipts and payments. So on the last part of the question, we are given additional information, which is additional information adjustment and adjustment on information C. So you need also to go through everything in terms of the adjustments that we are given. But going to our answer section, you'll see that we have got the income received in advance account, and also we have got the accrued income account. So these are the two accounts that we want to prepare. So starting with the income received in advance, we want to see what's the open balance that we have in income received in advance. Remember, if this is pertaining the membership fees account, so we are saying if in the membership fees account, membership fees account, we are going to have the debit side and the credit side. So we are saying on the debit side, that's where we are going to have the opening balance. That is the accrual opening balance. It's accrual or owing. That's what we have on the debit side. Then on the credit side, we're going to have the prepayment. Prepayment or in advance. Or representing our opening balance. So this is exactly what we have to remember. When it comes to the closing balance, they'll come to the opposite side. That is closing balance of the prepayment or in advance will come on the debit side is our balance CD. And then accrual again when it becomes the closing, it comes on the credit side as a balance CD. So this is what we have. So we are going to check it. So it means in advance is our first account of 6.1. We are going to have the balance on the credit side. So we're going to check all the information that we are given at the beginning of the question. So you come here, you'd see that we've got information that we have here that we are given in advance. That is the following totals were extracted of 1 March 2013, which is at the beginning of the year. So we try to see what's the income received in advance, which is the membership fees. They're given it here is 1,000. So we can just try to indicate it. They're having it here. Is income received in advance. So this is going to be our opening balance in the income received in advance is our balance is 1,000. So we go to the credit side. So coming in here now, we go to account. So this is the opening balance that we are referring to, which is in advance, which is on the credit side. So we can go to our answer section and put it on the credit side is presented there. Come here. And remember, the date is 2018 March 1. That is in the beginning of the year, the period. So we are saying 2018 March 1. So here we're saying this is the balance that we're having in the beginning. And the figure that we have there is 1,000. And then we try to go to see according to internal information what do we have. So we go there. and try to see what we have in the share formation. That's why we're going to see how we are going to treat the other entries. This is our extra information. So let's try to go through and see anything that can lead us to in advance, any adjustment that needs to be done pertaining in advance. So having this now, it means we gave our income received in advance, which are paper 1,000, which we have entered on the credit side of the uh, income accrued in advance. And then we'd see that this is membership fees of the last period that membership fees of this period which was received last period. So this period we need to transfer it now to membership fees because it belongs to this period. So the 1,000 is not going to affect anything. We are just going to transfer it so that it can be recorded as membership of this period. Remember, we carried it from last period to this period to show that it belongs to this period. So we go to our membership fees account and just transfer it. Here we are saying, so on the date, I remember we ended on March 1, 2013, March 1. So this is the same date that we are going to indicate here by saying 2013, March 1. And we are seeing our membership fees. So we are just transferring so that it can be recorded for this current period, which is 1,000 because it belongs to this period. So 1,000. Then we check now if you have got any membership fees that has been received in advance. So we can only be able to see it in the receipts and payments account. So if you come here, you'd see that these are the membership fees that has been received for this period. But you'd see that you've got membership fees for 2015 that has been received. So it means this 3,000 is in advance. So we are going to put it again on the credit now to show that it has been received in advance. So we come here on the other section and go to the credit side and we are saying, and this is going to be at the end of the year. So we're going to say 2014. And we say 2014, and it's going to be, the date is February 20th. And we just going to regard it as our membership fees. 3,000. So this is what we have according to the tax that we have according to the income received in advance. Remember, if you go back to our question, you'd see that there is an instruction which is saying close off the membership and entrance fees accounts only, which means we are closing off membership fees account and entrance fees only. And it's 6.1 and 6.2, we are not closing it off. Closing it off, meaning we are not going to put our closing balances there. So we can leave our answer as it is and go to income, the accrued income. So on accrued income, obviously, we go back to our first analysis. We see that accrued, when it's an accrual here, in the opening balance, we put it on the debit side. So obviously, we're going to check in the list of balances and put our opening balances on the debit side of the accrued income account. So we come here. We see that these are the opening balance that we're given. It will give an accrued income membership fees is 1,500, which is going to go to the debit side. So here we say, come here and see balance. This is on 2013 March 1. It will say balance and that way it's 1,500. And then I will go there on the additional information and try to see what is it saying about that accrued. Remember, accrued means these were the membership fees for last period which were not received. So we are given that on point number 2, membership fees still outstanding for 2013 must be written off. So if you come now to our receipts for the period, you see that membership fees for 2013, which we received, indicating a year is 1,000. They received 1,000, but their accrual was 1,500. So it means 500 is still, we only received 1,000 out of 1,500, so 500 is still owing. But it is being said that it must be written off according to instructions that we have here, that other 500, they say membership is still outstanding, must be written off. Remember, we are saying what was owing was 1,500, but what is in the recent payments to show that what we received is only 1,000. So we've got an extra 500 which haven't been received. So this one is being said should be written off. So basically, what we are going to do is we are going to remove all the whole 1,500 because the other part has been received and the other part is going to be written off. So just put it as 1,500 and remove that owing from the debit side of the income accrued. So here we're saying, remember this is taking place again 2018 March 1. So we are saying 2018 March 1, and we are saying our membership fees. Which means we are sort of the paper that is also going to be removed all of it. So we say 1,500. So this is what we have, and then we go then to insert information and try to see what's the owing that we have for the period. We're told that on point number 3, 7 members must still pay their subscriptions for 2014, which means we are going to carry this 7 subscription for the 7 members, subscription for 7 members are not received for 2014. So they're going to be carried 2015 not received. So what does it mean? It means here we have got our 7 members. We are not going to receive those subscriptions, and each member supposed to pay 500. So you're going to say 7 times 500. Then you are going to get 3,500. So it means this total is going to be an owing that is going to be there, that is not going to be received. So we're going to show it on the debit side, and we give a description of membership fees. So we come in. So we are saying here we say membership. And the amount is 3,500. So remember, I'm not going to close it according to the instruction of question. So we leave it like that. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More typical examination questions are going to come. Let's subscribe and share. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing financial accounting info. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.